guys. Okay, today we're going to be showing you 3 different types of under counter mount lighting. We got the Eco Light right here. Now this is a push battery operated LED light. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED lights. It's approximately takes 6 AA batteries, and the lumens, well, they don't list the lumens on here. So, on to the next one. Good Earth. This one I really like because it's motion activated. Yes, those are my kids. And it's rechargeable. So this is the LED under counter mount cabinet light. Has a 48-inch USB charging cord, so you don't have to take this from underneath the countertop and then put it back in if you've already installed your cabinets. It's great for closets. Whoops. And you can see I paid 20 bucks for it at Lowe's. I'll put the item in the description below so you guys can see it. But this is really cool because walk by motion and also wave mode. So that's really cool, and it takes 500 charges, and it has a timer shut off for 20 minutes. And I believe it also has one for 20 minutes. Full charge indicator. Up to 500 charges, like I said, it's motion activated, continuous on for 20 minutes. Then we have our traditional. I bought this because this is pretty cool. You got under the counter mount lighting, warm white in 8 different colors. As you can see there, red, orange, yellow, green, aquamarine, navy blue, purple, and a pink. So, and that's all controlled by remote control up top there. 180 degree lumens, no bulbs to replace. It's got a lifetime warranty, and this one's made by Embrighton. So we're gonna show you what all these look like in a dark room with some countertops like this. This is really nice. This is granite, and if you have quartz, it's sort of like the same thing. Even man-made quartz you can make look like this. So let's get to opening. So we have our countertop here. I have not done my backsplash because I don't know what I'm going with yet. Anyways, we have the Good Earth light and the Eco Light. Eco Light is the type that you press with your fingers. The Good Earth light has a motion sensor. Right now, motion sensor will shut off after you hold it for, I don't know, after it's on for like 15-20 minutes. So you look at them, the Eco Light definitely has a softer tone LED. The Good Earth light has a much brighter LED, but it's also a lot more LEDs. So when you put them up underneath here, and I'll mount them now. I'll mount the Good Earth one first. They give you these easy mount 3M sticks. What you do is just put these together like this here. Rip them apart. Peel one end off. Place it here. Get the back of it peeled off. Take your other one, same thing. Peel it off, stick it on. And then what you're going to do is find out the spot that you were going to go ahead and mount it if you were going to mount it. Don't press it up there until you're sure where it goes. For me, this is a 36-inch cabinet, so I'm going to put one right underneath here. I'm not measuring or anything. I'm just sticking it in. That's what she said, right? So, as you can see, it's pretty bright. It looks pretty good, I think. So I'll turn that one off now, and I'll install the Eco Light, and we'll see what that looks like compared to the Good Earth. Alright, so I got my Eco Light. This is the Eco Light. Now remember, this is a push, so you're going to have to tap this on when you want it on, tap it on when you want it off. And it also is not a rechargeable battery. It is 6 AA's, so take that into consideration when you're doing your purchasing, because this is obviously going to have to come down if you leave it on a lot. Which is a great reason why the Good Earth is, in my case, a little bit better, because it is rechargeable internal battery. So we'll go ahead and we'll take this one and we'll stick it up there. Alright. So you might not be able to tell a difference, but on this side we have the Eco Light, and on this side we have Good Earth Light. So the Eco Light is a little bit softer tone, and the Good Earth Light is a little bit brighter tone. So that's the difference between the two. For me, I'd say the best one is definitely going to be the Good Earth right now. Let's take a look at what the multicolored 120 volt lights look like underneath the cabinets. Alright guys, so now we're doing the changeable LED color lighting. And this is by Enbrighten. And you have 14 different color models. LED light, of course. It is 120 volts, so you have a selector switch where you can select what type of color you want. So what I did was, just because I'm not going to mount these under the counter mount with the screws, because I don't know if I'm going to go with these. I'm just seeing what they look like. So I'm just going to mount them to see how it looks. Do the best I can with hiding the wires to give you the illusion that they're already underneath the counter or the cabinet. And I don't know, let's turn off the light. So, I mean, that's really cool. Pink, it's pretty cool. Multicolor. And that's white. So the downside of these lights is that it's very, very low lighting. And when you turn the lights on with that lighting, I guess it's not that bad. I guess the coolest feature of it is different colors. So if you're into the different color thing, this might be your choice. I don't think particularly I'm going to go with this light, just because, number one, it's not that easy to install because you have to hide the 120 volt wire. I'm not going to have a plug in there. Number two, these are just so much easier to go with. You know, a motion sensor here. So I think the winner is definitely going to be the Good Earth sensor light here. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to know where to get these products, you can scroll down in the description below. There'll be a link. You order it off of my links. Hey, I can continue to bring you great videos like these. Have a great day.